up everyone and welcome to my YouTube video. I know I've been gone for a minute, but my name is Caitlin for the people who didn't know, and by the title of today's video you guys will be seeing my perm ride process. Okay, so let's get into this video. So first I'm going to part my hair down the middle, which you guys can see me doing right now, and I'm going to create 4 sections. Now just a little insider, I'm doing this for y'all because honestly I barely part my hair. Sometimes I just get in and go, and whatever it is, that's what it's going to be, okay? So now that my hair is all sectioned, I'm going to use this new product I found at Target. Y'all know I live at Target, and I know I'm not the only one, but it's called Tough Cookie, and it's a styling gel, and also it's a part of TarajiPHenson's natural hair line. I don't know if y'all knew this, but she does sell natural hair products now. She has shampoo, she has conditioner, leave-in conditioner, she has oil, she has edge control, all that good stuff. Wasn't able to get any conditioner. I think Target was sold out at the time, but I did use her shampoo, and one of the great things I can say about her products is that they smell amazing. They smell so good. So make sure the next time y'all are in Target, y'all check her out, okay? So I know you guys just saw me apply the styling gel and brush my hair to the section I parted earlier. I recommend to brush your hair because it actually helps to smooth out the ends before applying the perm rod. But now you're seeing me twist my hair, and I twist my hair at least 3 to 4 times before I actually apply the perm rod. I really think it's whatever your preference is. If you want to twist twice, you twist twice. If you want to twist 6 times, you twist 6 times. With the perm rod, I make sure to move up as I go, if that makes any sense. Like, I don't want the hair to be on top of each other, because then it makes it harder to dry, longer to dry, and also doesn't give it that real spiral look. So yeah. So here's a little key for y'all. That little twist y'all just saw me doing that last perm right at the end. Don't expect that throughout the video. I saw other creators doing it, thinking I would be able to do it. Wasn't working out for me. For some reason, when I got to the end to do the twist, I couldn't get my hair as tight as I wanted to be. So I cut that short real quick, real fast, okay? Yes, I do want you all to know this was not perfect. Don't try to be perfect. I struggled. I did, okay? Whether it was the rod, not staying on tight, or the cap coming off the string, like, it was not perfect, okay? So don't critique yourself that much when you're doing it. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my little bang. I am going to use the blue perm rods for the front. I'm not sure what size the blue rods actually are, so I do need to look that up, and I'll get back with you guys down below in the description. But I am going to flat twist the front forward, and then I'm going to apply my perm rod. After sitting under a dryer for approximately 2 hours off and on, trust, I did not sit under that dryer 2 hours straight. I don't have that type of energy in me. I start sweating, my legs start hurting, and I start having to move. So yeah. And then also going throughout my day, I'm ready to remove these perm rods, which you see me doing now. Usually I let my perm rods sit in overnight, but for some reason I had something to do this day and I had to take them down at the moment. So I will be using that black castor oil that I showed a little earlier to actually help take down my hair and untwist. So usually I would take my time separating, but like I said, I had something to do this day, so I had to get it done, a little quicker than normal. But really there's no steps to separating. The only thing I can say is only separate the curl if it's willing to. Never force the curl to separate, because then it begins to look frizzy and you don't want the frizzy. You don't want it to look big and frizzy, okay? So just take your time when you're separating. Also, make sure your hair is dry. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can tell that I had some sections that weren't dry all the way. It wasn't wet, but it wasn't dry. Like, I know I could have went a little bit longer if I would have sat under the dry a little longer to make it perfect. But yeah, just make sure your hair is dry at the end. Also, find yourself a nice comb that can help with making your hair look a little fuller. All I did was go to the roots and kind of just tease it a little bit to make it bigger. So shout out to whoever made it to the end of this video. You're a real one, for real, a real one. And I really appreciate it. Like I tell y'all all the time, it means a lot. Hopefully you guys like the outcome. I loved it. Let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if you have any time, make sure you guys check out Taraji's natural hairline. Like I said, she's in Target. I might have to pass through and see what else I can grab a hold of. And also, if you want to see any more natural hair tutorials or me using different products, let me know down below as well. And as always, peace.